Hey everyone, welcome back. Alright, let's talk about something I honestly didn't expect to be this excited about. The 2026 Subaru 360. Yes, that's Subaru 360. One of the smallest, quirkiest cars Subaru ever made. Possibly coming back in a completely reimagined way. And if the early reports and design rumors are even close to accurate, Subaru isn't just reviving a name. They're reinventing it for a whole new generation. Before we dive in, quick pause. If you're into upcoming cars, retro revivals and honest takes without the corporate fluff, hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow, and you won't miss what's coming next. Alright, let's get into why the 2026 Subaru 360 is such a big deal. Now, the original Subaru 360 was tiny, simple, and built for post-war Japan. The 2026 version, completely different mission. This isn't about being the smallest car on the road anymore. It's about being clever, efficient, and unmistakably Subaru. The design is expected to blend retro inspiration with modern crossover vibes. Think compact proportions, rounded shapes as a nod to the original, but with a tougher stance, modern LED lighting, and just enough attitude to feel relevant in today's lineup. What really makes this exciting is what's likely happening under the hood. Subaru is expected to lean into a hybrid powertrain, focused on efficiency and everyday usability rather than raw speed. Smooth acceleration, excellent fuel economy, and the kind of easy driving that fits city life perfectly. It's not about numbers, it's about feeling light, responsive, and simple to live with. And yes, it still feels very on brand for Subaru. And because it's Subaru, we have to talk about off-road capability, even in something this compact. No one's claiming the 360 is going rock crawling, but expect Subaru's familiar confidence on dirt roads, snow, rain, and sketchy conditions. A smart all-wheel drive setup, decent ground clearance for its size, and drive modes that make it more capable than you'd expect just by looking at it. This is the kind of car you'd confidently take on a weekend escape without thinking twice. Inside, the 2026 Subaru 360 is expected to surprise people. The goal seems to be minimal, but modern. Clean dashboard, intuitive screens, physical buttons where you actually want them, and materials that feel solid without trying to be fancy. There's a retro influence here too, but done tastefully. Think simple shapes, warm colors, and a cozy vibe rather than cheap nostalgia. For a compact vehicle, space is expected to be used smartly, with flexible seating and storage that actually works in real life. When it comes to tech, Subaru isn't trying to overwhelm anyone. You'll likely get a clean digital display, smartphone integration, and Subaru's latest safety features baked in quietly in the background. It's the kind of setup that just works, instead of constantly reminding you how advanced it is. Pricing is one of the biggest reasons people are watching this car so closely. The expectation is that the 2026 Subaru 360 will come in affordable, especially compared to larger crossovers and EVs. Something positioned as an entry-level or urban-friendly option that still feels premium enough to justify buying new. If Subaru gets the price right, this could end up being one of the most interesting value vehicles in their lineup. Compared to the original Subaru 360, this is obviously a massive leap. The old one was basic transportation. Charming, yes, but extremely simple. The 2026 version keeps the spirit of accessibility and efficiency, but wraps it in modern safety, technology, and capability. It's not trying to recreate the past, it's translating it. And that's what makes this potential revival so fascinating. Subaru isn't just slapping a badge on a random car. They're taking a forgotten name and giving it a purpose that actually makes sense in 2026. Compact, efficient, capable, and a little bit different. So the big question is, would you drive one? Let me know in the comments what you think about the return of the Subaru 360. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stick around. Because if this car becomes reality, we'll be covering every update.